During the daily scrum before a critical release of a website development project, Scrum Master asks the team for an update on the bug fixes and requests a status update within 30 minutes. He mentions that the fixes need to be confirmed before the next deployment to ensure a smooth release. What is the most likely reason for this request? Raj, a backend developer, reports during a sprint review that the search functionality is experiencing performance issues. He observes that the multiple API calls are being triggered unnecessarily, causing slow response time. The team is concerned that this might degrade the user experience if left unresolved. What is the most appropriate action to take next? During a sprint planning session before a critical release, Qasim, a QA lead, flags a critical issue related to testing. He explains that the bug in the filter and search functionality are blocking validation of features before deployment. The team is concerned that these issues could cause a major setback if not addressed before the upcoming sprint demo. What is the most appropriate action to be taken next?